Croc. Croc, croc. Okay. Hello guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sai Siddharth and in this channel I'll be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. So for today, we'll be doing this jumping frog tutorial. I think it's cool. So let's get right into the tutorial. So for this tutorial, you'll need any rectangular paper. It doesn't have any particular size, so just any rectangular paper. We'll be molding it, in the ratio 2:1. So easy way to do it. Bring this edge over here. Bring this like this, and then you can see this extra bit, right? Just turn it, fold it like this, and then cut it. Open everything. You can see that this is extra, so I'm just going to be cutting it. Yep, so I do this. So if you want to know how to cut paper without any problem, I have a link in the description. Please see that video. Alright, so you got this, right? Fold it in half. And then fold it like this. So first you do like this, now you bring it like this. Now again do the same thing. Turn this, right? So you got like this. Turn the paper, bring it like this, bring it like this. Bring both these points here. Same here. Press on that. Bring both these points here. Okay, and now take this corner to there. Just like that. Same here. So again on this side too, and again on this side too. Yeah, so got that. Oh, so good. Let's go. Bring this like this. Bring this again there. Align this edge with this edge. Same on the other side. Because the frog has 4 legs, we're doing that. Now, so you got this. Turn the paper over. Bring this as much as you can. Actually, bring it to this line here. Now fold it in half. Fold it in half. Just imagine that there is a symmetrical line in between. So you're aligning it with that line. Now fold it like this. So, oops, mistake. Yeah. So you got this right. And now, if you just open this, you can see there's a pocket here. See, there's a pocket. I just want you to let it in slowly. Okay, so crease it again, then same on this side. Let it in, crease it. Just crease it well. Okay, so you got this. That's your frog. You have to make it zoom like this. Just kidding. Now, imagine that's a line here, just at the top of this. Wait, I'll zoom in. Here, just at the top of this, imagine that there's a line. And now fold it like that. Bring this edge over here, like that. So now you got that. Now the way actually it's finished. So the way to make this jump is keep your pointing finger here. Stretch it back. One second. Stretch it back and release. So the more stronger the paper, like the more dense it is, it will go longer and jump. So I'll just show my paper. It's pretty thick, so I'm gonna make it jump. So it jump like a lot, Okay, so